In this video, we are going to add the list view. So basically, list view it is used when we need to add the records in a scrollable view. Now, for that, we are click on add widget, add list view. Now we can see here list view widget is added. Now inside the list view, we can add the row layout. Inside the row layout, we can add container and its height and width we can configure here. We can set height 50 and width should be 200, 300. And inside the container, we can add the text widget. Text widget, and we can align in center, and we can set border color of container. Now this way we can add the list view in a FlutterFlow. Now next step is we need to bind the local storage data in a list view. Now we check, we have movie 1 and its data already configured. Now again I going to editor and select list view, and right hand side generate dynamic children, and select here, give variable name list data, and value should be from abstract movie. Now confirm, save, and now we can see here dynamic children widget is generated. And our third step is our text widget should be bind with the list data. Now select data structure name, confirm. Now make sure before running this application, save the project and run this application. Now application is started. We can see that movie currently we have one records, then list view one element is displayed here. Now we can add more than one records. For that we are going to editor, and in abstract select the movie and add here another item, and here add another records movie 2, save data, and we can also add another record 3 and movie 3, save the data and save the project, and going to editor and do instant reload for checking out reflection is done or not. Now application is started. We can see that we have 3 records, then 3 records is rendered on a list view. So this way we can add the elements in a list view. So